Starting your own music studio can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor, but it can also be overwhelming, especially for beginners. To help you on your music production journey, I have put together a list of essential tools every beginner should have in their music studio. These tools will not only help you create high-quality recordings, but they will also streamline your workflow and make the recording process more enjoyable. So, without wasting time, let's dive into the must-have music studio essentials for beginners. But in case you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more content like this. On my list, I have 10 essentials gears every music studio must have, and the first on my list is computer. Your music studio's heart will be a computer. It doesn't matter if you have laptop or desktop, it can even be Mac or Windows. Just ensure it has enough processing power and RAM to handle your digital audio workstation and plug in smoothly. If you want to know more about what type of computer to buy for music production, then check out my previous videos. The number 2 item on my list is digital audio workstation. DAW. DAW is the central nervous system of music production. It's the software that allows musicians, producers, and audio engineers to create, record, edit, and mix music. There are many options available, including Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, and more. Choose one that aligns with your preferences and budget. Number 3. Audio interface. An audio interface is a crucial tool for recording music. It acts as a bridge between your instruments, microphones, and computer, allowing you to capture high-quality audio and monitor your recordings in real time. Look for an audio interface with multiple inputs and outputs, high-quality preamps, and low latency for the best results. Number 4. Condenser microphone. Condenser microphones are widely used in professional recording studios worldwide, making them an essential tool for aspiring producers and engineers to achieve professional quality recordings. When selecting a condenser microphone, beginners should consider factors such as their budget, intended use, the microphone's frequency response, and polar pattern to ensure it meets their specific recording needs. Number 5. Studio monitors. Studio monitors are a critical component of any music production setup, providing an accurate and reliable way to hear your music. By choosing the right monitors for your needs, you can ensure that your music sounds its best and translates well across different playback systems. Unlike regular speakers, studio monitors are designed to reproduce sound in a flat and neutral way, without emphasizing any particular frequency range. This accuracy is essential for music production, as it allows producers to hear their music as it truly sounds, without any coloration or bias. And they come in different sizes. Number 6. Headphones. Buy a pair of studio-quality headphones for critical listening and tracking during recording sessions. Closed-back headphones offer excellent sound isolation, making them suitable for both studio and mobile use. Number 7. MIDI controller. A MIDI controller allows you to input musical notes and control virtual instruments within your DAW. Look for a keyboard with responsive keys, assignable knobs, and pads for enhanced creativity and flexibility. A MIDI controller doesn't generate sound on its own. Instead, it sends MIDI data to other devices, instructing them on which notes to play. Choose a keyboard, pad controller, or drum machine that suits your workflow and preferences. Number 8. Box guard. Box guard, also known as reflection filter or vocal shield, is a valuable tool for improving the quality of vocal recordings by reducing room reflections and background noise, resulting in cleaner and more professional-sounding tracks. The purpose of a box guard is to reduce the amount of room reflections and background noise that can affect vocal recordings. Number 9. Studio acoustic treatment. Proper acoustic treatment minimizes unwanted reflections and enhances the sound quality of your recordings. Invest in acoustic panels, bass traps, and diffusers to create a balanced and controlled listening environment in your studio. Number 10. Cables and accessories. Stock up on high-quality cables, including XLR, TRS, and MIDI cables, to connect your gear effectively. Additionally, consider investing in microphone stands, pop filters, and shock mounts to optimize your recording setup. And lastly, don't forget the comfort of your studio. Get a good studio desk and chair for your comfort. These are the things you will need to set up your music studio. Subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up for more contents like this. Always remember, you can become great by doing little things in great ways. See you in my next video.